Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Pinterest account using the mobile app. Whether you're done with the platform or just want a fresh start, I'll walk you through each step to make the process quick, easy, and stress-free. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, choose Account Management. Scroll down until you see Delete Your Data and Account and tap on it. Pinterest will ask you to confirm. Tap Continue and select a reason for leaving. After that, tap Send Email. Pinterest will send a confirmation message to your email address. Open your email inbox and find the message from Pinterest. Click on the link that says Yes, Delete Account to finalize the deletion. Your account will be deactivated immediately and permanently deleted after 7 days, unless you log in again during that period. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now scheduled for permanent deletion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.